Ka Sorkar jala kumju ka Sorkar India kadang Plie ya ka Jingkhang na kabanta ka Ïakren Ïasuk bat ka sengking Atiar Nyautrep National Liberation Council HNLC laong ba perstuan tinsong sembut mitrang ba ka jala badai khmi ya tanat kampo yang ka Sorkar jala Kuman syukudo ba ka HNLC kala syam ya ka jinggit kli ya ka jingnakti ban bu ban Pynbthei bom ha thamyo molong lengba ubut na shadow squad kabala jah hakamit khnai terik ulber arja arpsau bat kabala lamru shaka jingsha kem katu kat ningut kibriu na kithan ba per ka jala
Well, the investigation is on. See, I think you know well, handling all these things is not at all proper for me to detail everything. So let me just tell you one thing, the law is there and the investigation is on, and even about who are more people involved in the incident, that investigation is still on, so I should not say anything. But however, I'm telling you, our police forces are in the field and we will make sure that everybody is safe.
So that means the tripartite peace talks is totally off the tables now. No more. That's
well, I think the invitation is on and the door is still open. It is up to them. I will not comment anything on that, but we're still inviting them, come to the table of negotiation. You have already started. I think if possible, rethink your decision or recall back your decision. But if they feel that no, it is not necessary, then again, as I said to you, the law has to prevail.
Kumno ba Raju?
Kumne kong, ale.
Kumno ki kam ki jam baro.
Hai ki biang lon.
Ai ki ration jong menta ubnai.
Hai ta.
Ba, ukau iu unia.
Kong undi udai ukau plus F, ukau fortified.
Ukau 45? Henry ba, ukau 45 ba uto ba ai barabor uya pher ayu. Uto ukau ba ai barabor umde ubabha.
Kong, kini ki jingbam ki bangi juba man kasngi, ki kta ya kakot ka khya ka jongi. Manta ngi dei ban sngau tu hi ba ki jingbam ki bangi bam, ki long ni em ki batei ya kamet ka phat jongi. Ladang ibam ki jingbam ki bomtei, ya kamet ka phat jongi. Ila banyo ya ka jingpang dunasnam mat ka jingbria ki kman.
Henry ba uni ukau 45 udan jiga dei kumno.
Yo iya ka jingtei ya kamet ka phat ka jongi, nak jingbam ka bangi bam man la kasngi kum ka iron, folic acid, vitamin B12, iodine, zinc, vitamin A bat vitamin D. Namar ke jingduna jongkine ngien ngat hagi babun ki ja jingpa ka Sorkar ka persangkat bala banwanra ya ka koj ka khia. Ka FSSAI ka batha ba ukhau ata kamlu kadut bat ke omkhnyang bam. Ki dei bandon ya ke jingbam ki bantei ya kamet. Knang baha ka shisngi ngila banyo laipo hadu sanpo persen kini ki jingbam bantei ya kamet. But lai kerteng yaki 45 ila banitu yaki ta ka sharp plus F haki.
Ba, uni ujing bam plus F pat ngila banyo na eh.
Nang ni kong. Nagani ka daw ka Sorkar kalapan mi yaki skim ICDS, MDM, PDS kabha na kabanta upaj ba. Ka Sorkar mi kalamang kerpang ha ka jingi trelang bat kidukan na ka ba kilapha daw khau babhatam na kabanta ki khna bat kilong kimi ki ba armen. Dei na kata daw patang da uni ujat khau babhatam ban sam shabaro kilong yeng. Nang ni shakman. Tang da ukhau 45.
Ba, pikirannya ka jing shisha.
Lawan Rak Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.